Hello friends, welcome to our channel tutorials. In this video, I'm going to share an interesting piece of information with you. If you have a pen drive, if you have a hard disk, if you have any external mass storage device, and if you want that this mass storage device should be disabled from your computer or laptop, you can do it very easily. This is very useful if you are using your PC and if someone is trying to insert their pen drive or mass storage device in your PC or laptop, and they can get your important data. So you can avoid this activity by disabling the mass storage device from the registry. So let's start the video and we learn how to disable mass storage device such as pen drive, external hard disk or any other type of mass storage device in your PC or laptop.
Welcome to Tara Tutorials. Our motto is learn everything with perfection. Thank you for watching Tara Tutorials.
So to disable the mass storage device, you need to go to registry. So press the Windows key and R together. It will open the run window and here type regedit, regedit, and click OK. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Yes. Now you can see that I'm in a window where the registry editor is opened. Now you have to remember the path. First you have to go select the H key local machine. Double click on it. Then here you have to go to system. Then under the system you have to go to current control set and you have to double click. Then under the current control set you have to go to services. Under the services you have to search USB store. For that, do one thing, just click on any of the icon and press U and keep pressing U unless you see the USB store is highlighted. See here, now the USB store is highlighted. Now under the right panel there is a button called start and you can see the value of this start is 3. Now we have to change the value of this start variable to 4. If we change the value to 4, no mass storage device will be detected in your PC or laptop. So how to change? Just right click on it and select modify. And here you can see the 3 is already there. Change it and write 4. So I'm changing the hexadecimal value of this D word. Okay, and click on OK button. Now after clicking on, now you can come back up by pressing the left arrow button and close it, and that's it. Now you have successfully disabled the all the port for any kind of mass storage device. Now none of the mass storage device will be detected in your computer or laptop. I hope you have liked the video. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel, and I'm waiting for your lots of comment and suggestion in the comment box. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share. We'll get back with an interesting video soon. Thanks for watching again.